So what is carboxytherapy, or shortened carboxy, which is actually medical grade carbon dioxide therapy?
At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now.
So we introduced carboxy therapy into Skin Renewal about 2006, 2007, when I realized what amazing benefits it has. And the more we use carboxy, the more we realize, what an amazing add-on and adjunctive treatment it is to all our treatments at Skin Renewal. So what is carboxy therapy? So we have a special machine that takes medical grade carbon dioxide gas, and with a tiny 30 gauge needle we inject tiny amounts into the skin. So it just depends what you want done. So whether you want fat, we'd do it, fat reduction, we'd put it 90 degrees into the fat. If you want skin rejuvenation, we'd have an angle, a slight angle. If you want cellulite and lymphatic stimulation, there's another way to actually angle that needle to get the carbon dioxide gas in. And then the gas very slowly runs into the system. And once you have this gas into the system, the whole body kicks into action. So by putting carbon dioxide into your system, your body has to react. And this is the way that it releases oxygen from hemoglobin, because it shifts the whole curve, because we have the Bohr effect, B-O-H-R. And this is an incredible process that takes place in the body. So when the pH, which has to be a certain level, changes, the body has to react and change and increase circulation to that area to renormalize that pH level. And that is exactly what happens. You put the carbon dioxide in, and then the body releases oxygen exactly where you need it. So if you're doing it under the eyes, you'll treat the eye area. If you're doing it for cellulite, you'll do it all along the lymphatic drainage points. So this is basically what carbon dioxide is. So what carboxy does, it releases carbon dioxide into the skin. And we know with time, especially if one smokes, our skin is slowly suffocating because it doesn't have enough oxygen. So by injecting carbon dioxide gas into the skin, you are releasing this oxygen and infusing the area that you want to treat with oxygen, and also all the basic substrates that the body needs to make collagen and to repair this micro-injury that you've produced, that the carbon dioxide has produced. So that's one way of infusing oxygen into the skin. So how does the body eliminate this carbon dioxide? And it's by a completely natural process. So it's absorbed into the skin, it goes through the lungs, and within minutes this carbon dioxide is released into the system. So it's a completely normal process, that there is no toxic leftovers after you've had the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is released through the lungs.